welcome back to another Walmart beauty box unboxing. This one is the Spring 2023 box, version 11. I don't know how many they have, but anyway. So, we've got our little booklet here. The Spring Spotlight, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. So we have our list of all the things we could have gotten. All listed in here, all nice. And the first thing up is a perfume sample, and it is listed in here. And this is the, where is it? I just saw it. The Juicy Couture in It's Sunny Honey EDT. I guess that's Eau de Toilette spray. And it's Rock the Rainbow. I notice it says on here, even though it doesn't say it on the booklet. Full size of that is $38.97. Now, I know you guys know I love me some perfume samples because they last me a nice amount of time. And I get to try things out. I'm not going to put it on right this second since it's nighttime, but soak in this sweet, radiant scent with notes of Italian lemon, jasmine blossom, and the warm, relaxing feel of golden amber, and let your worries melt away. That sounds pretty nice. Can't wait to try that. So next, let's see. These are the Kiss Gel Fantasy Sculpted Nails for the Cause, like number 4. I don't see where it says for the cause on here. These are long length nails. Yeah, I literally don't see that mentioned anywhere. Glue on 7-day wear. Anyway, they don't look very gelish to me. They look very matte. Like, really, really matte. I don't know how I feel about that color either. These may go to Kimmy. So, full size, and this is $8 for this pack. Again, I don't know how I feel about that one, so I may ask her if she wants those. The one thing I definitely do want in here, even though it's smaller than the last sample I had of this stuff, this is the Kristen S. Style Reviving Dry Shampoo. I don't know if the other one I had was Style Reviving, I just know it was the Kristen S. Dry Shampoo, and it was like my favorite ever dry shampoo I've ever tried, so. Let's see, something zip up technology. What the hell does that say? Oh, contains zip up technology. Don't know what that means, but regardless, I'm glad to have more Kristen S. stuff, because that stuff is legit good. So, this I thought I had till I looked closer at it. So this is the Thayer's Natural Remedies Facial Toner, and this is the lavender one. Apparently they have, product may vary depending on box. So I'm lucky to have gotten the lavender one, because I haven't had this yet. And this is another full-size, $8 thing for an 8.5 fluid ounce bottle. This is not the full size. I've seen the full size. This is only 3 ounces. So, full size is 8.5, much bigger than this. But regardless, lavender, though, I didn't know that was an option. So I think that's only the second lavender toner I've ever gotten. The first one from Thayer's, so that's cool. Then, from Neutrogena, we have a little sample of their Hydro Boost Fragrance-Free Hydrating Gel Cleanser. The full size of that is 7.8 fluid ounces and costs $9. Drowning in moisturizers and oversized water bottles, get all the hydration your skin needs with this luscious face wash. Soak up the hyaluronic acid formula that works to lock in moisture for an ultimate radiant glow. Interesting. So we have that. From Mark Anthony, we have a little sample of Repair Bond plus Rescue-Plex Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment. I can definitely use that. So full size of that would be 8.4 fluid ounces and costs $8.50. It's only 1 ounce. We're making bad hair days a thing of the past with Repair Bond plus Rescue-Plex treatments. Revive your tired tresses with this system that's clinically proven to make hair up to 111% stronger, 140% smoother, and 129% shinier. Those are awfully weird, specific numbers to be using, and I don't know how they calculate that, but go off. And then over here, We have 4 different things here. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Color Correcting Serum Moisturizer Primer. Interesting. We have one for fair skin tones that's color correcting for redness neutralizing. We have one for light skin tones that's for brightening. I can definitely use both of these. We have a medium one that is for dullness reducing. I can try that one. And then the deep skin tone one is for a dark spot removing, or neutralizing. Which again, don't know how that one would work on me, but I can play with it if nothing else. But the other 3, they show potential, so I'll have fun playing with those. But yeah, so anyways, of the different things they show here that I didn't get, I'm a little sad that I didn't get the sample of Cher's perfume. That would have been really cool because she doesn't send free samples out of that. She makes you buy them. So to see that that was an option here, I was like, ah, damn it. But anyway, other than that though, maybe like the Body Fantasies Japanese Cherry Blossom, but that stuff's so cheap, I would just buy it. But yeah, everything else, though, that I wanted, I pretty well got. So I can't complain with this box. It's a pretty good one. So anyway, for like, I forget how much the Walmart box is. I think it's like $6 or $7. It is nothing bad at all. So anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.